it will be easier for us to formulate those new policies where things can move faster, and it can be indeed a very good situation for all of us with the various stakeholders who actually matter, including the Goa government. Then you have ULIP, then you have, of course, the Gati Shakti along with the master plan alongside our Goa government. I think all this will go a long way in building the logistics for our beautiful state of Goa. What we must realize that Goa is really blessed in the sense that we have 2 airports now. We have really good connectivity in terms of road. Maybe we have a small bottleneck which in 2 years time down the line, even that will be over, like near Kokero, connecting the highway. There will be a little choco block there for some time. But otherwise, if you look at the general infrastructure that is available, I think things are improving.